masarap talaga.
What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we'll be making gochujang stew. It's an awesome popular Korean stew, really spicy. So if you have gochujang in your counter or you have leftovers of gochujang in your fridge, please be sure to make use of it and turn it into a gochujang stew. It's a popular Korean stew out here and really great for wintertime and during that time as well. I'm going to teach you how to cook gochujang stew. Enjoy the show. First, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of gochujang sauce. Also, please like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for more travel vlog videos. Now it's time to pull the green peppers out, grab the oyster mushrooms, garlic, onions, and then your scallions. Now just grab 1 potato and then start peeling off the skin. And then what you're gonna do is slice 1/2 of the potato. Now you can grab your oyster mushrooms and then just cut away the bottom portion, and then just separate the pieces. Now grab your green peppers. If you don't have green peppers, jalapenos will do as well. Now your next step is to just grab 2 cloves of garlic and then just mash away. Now just cut the mashed garlic into tiny pieces. Now just grab a few strands of scallions. I like to grab 4 to 5 strands. Next step is to grab your onion and cut 1/2 of it. Now just cut the half onion into thin pieces. Now your setup should look like this. Now time to pull your steak. I brought mine pre-cut, so all you have to do is cut them into tiny pieces and place them into a bowl. Next step is to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next step is to add your sesame oils, at least 2 tablespoons. Then add your gochujang sauce. Then mix it in with all the oils. Next step is to add your chili powders. Let it boil for a few minutes. Then add a cup of water. Afterwards, let the water boil for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After it's boiled, add your potatoes. After that's done, now you can add your steaks. If the water's not full enough, you can add more water. Now it's time to add your cloves of garlic. Next step is to just stir the pot. Now you can start adding your cut mushrooms. And start adding your green peppers. And it's good to mix it with rice because the soup is going to be really spicy.
That's good. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe,
and also hit that notification bell for more travel vlog videos. And we'll be coming out with more travel vlogs every week. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.